Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is July the 26th, 2020. Here to give you all a very quick video on Microsoft. But before I do, this is your first time watching our video and you guys want to continue to see more of our predictions and price forecasts, this is our website right here, HueFinancial.com. Come on over, join, log on, become a member of our community so you guys can see more of our price predictions and forecasts that we got going on in the cryptocurrency space as well as in the stock market. So we definitely want you all to continue to support us. Come to our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to see all of our other blogs, snapshots, other videos about cryptocurrencies and stocks. You have to become a member though in order to see it, and it is free. So all you have to do is come in and sign up, and then you'll be able to see all our other information that we got here on our website. So now we're going to talk about Microsoft and if this particular market is a sell for the time being. You guys can literally tell looking at Microsoft on this daily time frame that it has been in a bullish trend. Like the trend in Microsoft has been massive and is definitely trading well away from this ascending line in the market for Microsoft. You guys can see it. So is it time for this market in Microsoft to take a break and to come back down to an area of realization, or will this market in Microsoft continue to shoot away from our trend line? That's the question that we need to answer into the market for this particular product. So I wanted to show you first of all the weekly time frame in Microsoft stock real quick. You guys can see here that the last 2 weeks, even last week, the market in Microsoft is weak. And we've done a lot of videos within the tech space recently on our channel. Tesla, Nikola, AMD, all these technology stocks are showing us a lot of weakness. All you got to do is go back and look at the major FANG stocks, and you also will be able to see here that we may have hit a climax on these particular technology stocks. I'm just saying, I just want to give you all a heads up that over the last couple of videos that we've done within the technology space, these markets are hinting that there is some weakness entering this space, and Microsoft is not the outlier. As a matter of fact, Microsoft is participating right along with the majority of the technology stock that has been upholding, for the most part, the stock market as a whole. So when you look at Microsoft on a monthly perspective, we're still seeing some hints that the lack of demand is waning. We're losing that interest in Microsoft to continue to see higher price. Now that doesn't mean that the bottom is going to fall out and this market is going to continue to plummet. I'm not saying that. Understand, get a hold of yourself. I'm just simply saying that the market is weak and the market gyrates, it fluctuates, and it continues to move higher, it continues to move lower, and we're just going through that process to where the market for Microsoft looks weak for the time being. That's all. When you look at it on a monthly time frame, you see weakness. When you look at it on a weekly time frame, you see weakness. But I'm not stating that the markets will come all the way back down here to our ascending line. For the most part, the market is looking to continue to see some lower price, but we have some areas of support. So like 195, even $190 are areas of support that the market can definitely try to bring the value of Microsoft. Now, if the overall economy takes a hit, then yeah, you would expect the market to continue to drop and move massively lower from where we are at today, right? You can expect that. So the last 2 weeks in Microsoft definitely continues to show that there's still weakness present. So we need to continue to play that into the market until we see a change occur. So this is relatively simple. We're going to expect the market in Microsoft to continue to go lower. $195 to $190 will be our TP location. Now that's the initial phase. Now once that market in Microsoft come down to 195 to 190 and we still see weakness, then 180 is going to be the next location, period. So we're just going to allow the market trapper to continue to work his book, to continue to do his business, and we're just going to stay the sideline. We're already trying to be ahead of the game in sense of him taking this market in Microsoft. We're expecting it to go lower. TP 195 to 190. So the market just tags out at 195. That'd still be about 3% profitability in that forecast. 190, almost 6%. 181, 182, almost 10% profit. So we're going to continue to play this market in Microsoft as showing us weakness. And this is how it is. We're just relatively simple, right? You need to make sure you join us and subscribe to this channel and follow us on all of our social media platforms, because you're not going to get this anywhere else. We're very biased in what the market is generating based off the historical information of last week, of yesterday, as well as months ago. We can understand what the market is feeling. And for Microsoft, the market is feeling weak. Now make sure you follow us, join us. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll see you on the next one.